Good morning to you all. I'm writing this blog at 5:21 a.m., sitting before a wide window that opens to the whole wide road in front of the house where I'm staying. My eyes are treated to the lush lawns gracing this beautiful morning with their emerald hues and sweet scents. A cat meows by my window. As I hone in on it, I realize it's actually a gray bird singing in a cat's voice, just a couple of feet from my window. I don't want to move my hand to take a picture, because I know a clip is worthless compared to its magnificent mews. I'm surprised that this bird can actually sound like a cat. It's chirping in its own voice too. I never knew one bird was capable of making different sounds. Google tells me that this bird is known as a gray catbird. One learns new things every day. If we stop talking and simply listen, we get the chance to learn something from everyone, young or old. This bird was my teacher. In this cloudy morning, he grateful to the fate that provided me an opportunity to rise up and see another morning along with its unique gifts. I wondered just how many wonders in this world go unseen. Even after multiple experiences, there's always a new miracle to witness. This leads me to a quote I read on Pinterest posted by the Rose Garden. Waking up another day is a blessing. Make it count and be happy that you are alive. Of course I am. I have heard from my father that blessings are like a bird, and gratefulness is like scissors. We can domesticate the bird of blessings by cutting its wings with the scissors of gratefulness, so the blessings never leave our courtyard. It reminds me that all elders in my home used to begin their day with worship, recitations, and prayers. That must have been their way of appreciating their mornings. Such practices allow us to absorb some of the peace outside, as we can truly hear when it is quiet. Rumi also focused on gratitude. Be grateful for your life, every detail of it, and your face will come to a shine like a sun, and everyone who sees it will be made glad and peaceful. If I could be a source of someone else's happiness, that in itself would be a blessing. The sun rises from the depths of distances, the birds leave their cozy nests and lovely chicks, the plants yawing from deep sleep to spray fresh oxygen. The breeze touches the flower petals, asking them to release fragrance. The dew shines from life, stirring sun rays, and I am on this window, a witness to all these mesmerizing scenes. I love mornings and how they motivate you. I may not go to golf today, because I don't intend to leave this window and miss miraculous moments like these. Such moments highlight the contrast, yet beauty of the electronic world inside and the plutonic outside. Both are gateways to internal peace. After all, even our clocks are no more than a copy of the sun's position. What a trip of spiritual stick behold. I don't want to take any other calls today, urgent or casual. The call of the Gray Catbird has delivered a gift of a great morning to my window that is glowing with a rousing rainbow of reverence and countless springs of satisfaction. I am in love with it. Good morning to you all too.